Welcome to Design Coach with Repsketch. In this video, I'll guide you through creating an elegant oversized trench coat dress design in minutes. Repsketch is your all-in-one solution for designing, customizing, and rendering ideas into stunning 3D designs. I'm going to break this process down into 3 simple steps: repurpose, remix, and render. Step 1. Repurpose. Start fresh by creating a new canvas and setting up our workspace. To speed up the process, let's head to Repsketch's design library, filled with vector-ready sketches from professional designers, ready to be repurposed as templates. Swiftly search for a trench coat using the search bar. Repsketch offers some great options, like this women's single-breasted trench coat. Let's make it our base design by dragging it onto the canvas. Step 2. Remix. Now let's remix this sketch to match our design needs. Start by ungrouping the trench coat design objects using this button here and continue ungrouping until you have the object layer visible that you want to edit. Double-click on the object to reveal the vector nodes and refine the design by adjusting them for a seamless fit at the armholes and shoulders. Use this edit group option and use the color tool to quickly update the design's hue. Now let's swap out the sleeves with a suitable option from the Components pane in Repsketch. This library offers a variety of ready-to-use design components, perfect for remixing. This full sleeve with tie-ups is just right for our trench coat. Bring it onto our workspace and adjust its size to fit the armholes. We'll ungroup the component, get rid of any extra object, and fill color to match our base design. Additionally, we'll clean up the design by removing buttons, waist ties, and seams. To extend the lapel collar, we'll utilize the Create or Edit Path tool to draw a line connecting it to the waistline. Now let's add some stylish trims to accentuate the waist. Explore the waist ties category in the Components pane library. This waist tie component looked good, so let's drag it in. Resize and adjust its size, strokes, and color to complement our base design. Moving on, let's create volume in the lower part of our trench coat. Instead of manually drawing it, we'll find a ball skirt design in our library and import it. Ungroup and resize to match the waist and remove the lower part of the trench coat and the waistband of the skirt. Adjust the layers of the design objects and edit group to fill in color on the skirt to match the rest of the design. Let's proceed by grouping all the front design objects together. Now moving on to the back sketch. Start by duplicating the front design, ungroup and delete the collar and waist tie. Extract the collar from here and adjust their placement and layers to fit seamlessly into the new sketch. Similarly, extract the back waist tie and match the color with our base design. To finalize, select all design objects, group them together, and proceed to the Design Properties section. Here, provide a name, description, and relevant tags for your sketch. Don't forget to share your creation with others by setting it as public. Step 3. Render. Now it's time for the exciting step of transforming your sketch into a stunning 3D image. Head to your profile, locate your saved designs, and open the view page of your sketch. There, you'll find a magic wand icon. Click it to unleash the powerful AI capabilities of Repsketch. Customize or add a new prompt here, then hit Generate, and watch the magic unfold before your eyes. Play around with new prompts and integrate your designs into tech packs, share with manufacturers, or present in design meetings. That's how Repsketch turns your ideas into realistic images in minutes. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and share your questions or feedback in the comments section.